Welcome to the first video in what I hope will become a series of videos detailing my efforts to restore this old house my wife and I bought. We purchased this house for $5,000 cash in hand. It's in the heartland of the Southwest Virginia and the Appalachian Mountains. Overall, it's not a bad house. I mean, it needs a lot of work. You can see it was originally clapboard with what's called Insul brick put on it later. Insul brick was popular in the 40s and 50s. It's a masonite product. This house is approximately, I think, a little over 1,000 square feet. So that puts us in at about $5 a square foot, which is an excellent position to be in, especially for a rental. This house has really tall ceilings. They're 9.5 or 10 foot. I haven't measured them, but you can see it was in the process of being remodeled. There is fire damage. The bulk of the damage from the fire is confined to the kitchen and to the dining room kitchen dividing wall. There's a significant amount of charring in the kitchen ceiling, but it's not a deep char. That dividing wall took the brunt of it. We'll see once we demo everything and just see how bad, but it doesn't seem to be anything affecting the structural integrity of the house. You see there's a relatively newer load center. Soon it was put in during the remodel, but I'll likely relocate that. Depending on how we what we end up deciding on the kitchen layout. So this is this will all come out and it'll all need to be rewired. There's still a significant amount of knob and tube wiring present in the house, enough to be be concerning. So we'll likely just rewire the whole house. Most of the subfloor looks like we'll be replacing it. Some of it's good. Some of it, I think it's a Vantech. There's drop ceilings. You can see some more knob and tube hanging out in there with open splices hiding behind that drop ceiling. So all that'll come out. That was a smaller bedroom. This is the bathroom. And then we've got the larger bedroom. Currently I've got 3 houses I'm working on. This will be the 3rd one. So likely won't be until mid-summer when we start. Likely tackle the outside first.